Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get flower bed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can get the flower bed, I'm going to show you mine. Wait, let me open up my backpack and I'm going to scroll down. All right, and this is my small flower bed. And I got this flower bed from completing a quest from Blanc. And if you want to get this item, guys, you can complete a quest if it's available, or you can also purchase it from the Blanc's store. You're going to visit Blanc. She's at the Winter Utopia, and you're going to go to her gardening store. And then you're going to scroll down, guys, and the flower bed will be right here, but you need to unlock level 4 to purchase the flower bed. And wait, let me view my level for the gardening hobby. I think I'm still at level 3. Okay, and I need to unlock or upgrade my hobby to level 4 to get the flower bed. Okay guys, and that's how you can purchase flower bed in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.